Okay.
Could I just ask you to just one sentence about how the Des Moines Lobe versus, like, because people think maybe all of Iowa has drainage tile.
Right.
That's not the case.
Right. Yeah. So, as was mentioned earlier, we are on the Des Moines Lobe, which is the youngest landscape in Iowa. So it's kind of north central Iowa down to Des Moines. If you draw a big U shape, it's about the middle third of the state down to Des Moines. And so there was a sheet of glacier that just kind of like shot down real fast about 12,000 years ago. And just like a bulldozer, it was the fastest glacier that we've ever been able to calculate. So it was moving at this crazy fast speed very recently, and then it retreated fairly quickly. So it left this really flat, a flat area of glacial gunk that's been developing in prairie to have lots of organic matter and develop internal and external drainage since that time of the glacier.
But we haven't had that much time since it's young. We don't have the good external drainage that southern Iowa.
So southern Iowa, that's a landscape that's been developing, especially external drainage for 200,000 years at least, I think. So that landscape, it's if you've ever driven south of Des Moines or either direction on I-80, you notice that there's more hills. That's just the gradual geologic process of erosion and sedimentation, and the landscape is creating waterways for itself. So yeah, so in southern Iowa, there certainly is still some tile drainage, but by and large it's less effective, and it's certainly not pattern tiled like this would be. You have this beautiful, flat, nice field that my father would love to have. I grew up on hills. So you can really easily just draw some straight lines through here for your tile, whereas in southern Iowa, you don't have flat fields like this to pattern tile. Does that make sense?
I didn't realize southern Iowa was an older...
Oh, yes.